back to my channel. So from the title you can see that today I'm gonna be doing a little beginner makeup tutorial. This video, I've been wanting to do it for the longest time and it's really simple, so I don't know why I never did it, but I'm doing it now. Yay. Let me know if this was helpful in the comments down below, and you can leave suggestions for other videos that you'd want me to do, any other thing you'd want to see, or you know, whatever. And it doesn't have to be makeup, it can be like some little challenges. Oh god, this has squeezed my brain. Oh yeah, it can be challenges, it can be like, I don't know, whatever. Talk to me down in the comments. Just make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Join the family. We're growing. We are past 3,000 subscribers right now and I'm just like so excited. 3,000. That's great. That's it. I'm done talking now. We're gonna get right into the video. I'm gonna use this Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser. It's a primer from Maybelline. It's really nice, and it's like silicone. It's like a silicone based primer. These pores have a mind of their own. This thing is really squeezing my brain. Like I'm feeling my brain getting squeezed. Like I feel like I'm getting stupid. Why did I do it so tight, bro? So I have an eyebrow tutorial on my channel already. I'll leave the link for it in the description box so you can go watch how to do your eyebrows. So yeah, I'm just gonna do my eyebrows off camera real quick. Okay, so my eyebrows are almost done. I'll clean the top up when I'm doing my foundation. I'm gonna get right into my eyeshadow. I forgot that word. So I have the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Natural. This is what it looks like. It's really light in comparison to me, but I'm just using it as an eyeshadow base. So now the eyeshadow palette that I'm going to be using is the Morphe 35O Matte palette. I'm going to take this fluffy brush. This is the Morphe E30 brush. So the first thing I'm going to use is this brown right here. So I'm just going to start off with this as my transition color.
No, this is really hurting my brain. I don't think this is safe at all. Oh gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh gosh. Oh, Jesus.
The next brush I'm going to use is this. Where did I buy this? I don't know. I bought it here in Jamaica. It was really cheap, like $200. Really cheap. And it's not as fluffy as the first brush, so this one is really gonna allow me to just get the color like right where I want it. It's not gonna be spreading it all over the place. So with this brush, I'm gonna go in with this brown right here, which is a bit darker. And I'm gonna put that on the, like in my crease out to the end. If you have like a V brush, like, well, not V, the angled brushes, you could use that, but mine's dirty right now, so this works. Now with the first brush, I'm gonna just blend that out some more, and I'm dipping it back in this first shade that I was using just to kind of soften the edges up a bit. Now I'm gonna take this BH Cosmetics, it's like a little pigment. I can't really turn it over because it's gonna fall out, but it's like a pink pigment, and I'm just gonna pack this onto my lid. I'm gonna put some setting spray on my brush so it's kind of wet, which is gonna make the pigment more pigmented. Now I'm gonna go back in with this brush that had the darker brown, and I'm gonna blend the edges of this pigment with the brown that I packed on. Alright, so I've put my lashes on, and I also have a video on this, so I never did it on camera because I have a video on it, like my eyebrows. I'll also leave the link for that in the description box, so go click that when you're finished and learn how to put your lashes on if you don't. Now we're gonna go right into foundation because we had already primed from the beginning. I'm gonna use the Maybelline Matte and Poreless foundation, and I'm in the color 355, just coconut. Along with this Real Techniques expert face brush. Like, this brush is like my favorite foundation brush. I'd recommend getting it if you can. It's amazing. It blends everything so much easier. It's just perfect. I love it. Now for my concealer, I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Toffee. This is the same one I used for my eyebrows. Now I'm gonna set my concealer. I'm gonna be using the Sasha Buttercup setting powder. And when you're setting it under your eye, make sure to bring it like all the way up, like as close as you can once you put concealer there, because it's gonna crease. So I like to go all the way up and set it. I know I never put any highlight here, but I'm gonna put my contour here, so I just kind of like to do this sometimes. It's gonna help to chisel out my jawbones. I'm gonna put my contour there, don't worry. So for my contour, I'm gonna be using the L'Oreal True Match powder, and it's in the color Cocoa. And the brush I'm using is the powder blurring brush from ELF. This too is like one of my favorite brushes. I'm gonna put my eyeliner on. Got me holding it like I'm smoking or something. I'm gonna use this little brush. I don't know, this brush is, you know, this brand, Clean Color or Clean Color, whatever you want to call it. About $200. Cheap. I really like using this because it's just so like fluffy, like a messy kind of fluffy, and it just gets my highlight like there. So yeah, I'm just gonna go in. This part is also optional if you're a beginner and you don't feel like doing all this, you know, you don't want to do the most. But I would really recommend it. Like, who doesn't want to be glowing like this? I've never heard somebody say they don't like highlight. Never. Like, people say they don't like blush and they don't like, you know, some other eyeliner, some other stuff, but never heard somebody say that they don't like glowing. Alright, we're getting somewhere. For my lips, I'm gonna use this brown eyeliner, the same one I used for my eyebrows. What's this? I totally forgot I had this. No, that's kind of too pinky. Alright, let me find something. I was thinking of just doing a clear gloss. Alright, so this gloss is from CoverGirl. I'm not even seeing like a color. Oh, wait, let me see. Yeah, I'm not seeing a color. What kind of fool thing this? Anyways, this is what it looks like. It's Candylicious in the color 620. And now I'm gonna put my clear gloss on top of it. This is a primer and a setting spray in one, but I only use it for the setting spray. And it's wait, I think it's a matte setting. What the fuck? Why is it spraying like that? Oh my goodness, it went in my eye. I'm gonna put some more highlighter on because I really do love glowing, you know, like, I love it. It's a hobby. It's one of my hobbies, you know, when somebody is meeting me for the first time and they're like, tell me about yourself. I really enjoy glowing. In my spare time, I like to pack highlighter on my cheeks. Alright guys, so this is it for the end of my tutorial. I tried to make it very simple. I hope it was. Let me know in the comments if it helped you guys. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss my future uploads, because I'll be uploading more, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.